What is up, everyone? Today, hopefully, it'll be the last week of videos of that sad excuse for a car that is now in pieces. Just like this sad excuse. But this should be, hopefully, the last week of videos on this car. I'm hoping, as you can see, where's my light? Oh, there's my light. As you can see, I just dropped that. Hopefully the gauge is out somewhere back there. Hopefully that is pretty much out, minus like 2 bolts. And then this rear subframe finally gets dropped out, and I gotta take this guy out, which is kind of fun because I have to hammer with these guys. There we go. With, slam cars in order to get to these bolts. Where are they? Oh, there you go. When I get to some of these bolts, you can see where it kind of crushed back there too. I gotta kind of hammer those out and get that done. So let me knock this out, and then probably should get more light in here. So I'll hammer this out and then drop that. And I think the final send off to this thing is me cutting off most of it. So I'm gonna cut here in case someone needs quarter panels. I mean, they're semi-decent. I don't know. Maybe. They're solid. Just this crap on here. Ah! There you go. They're not bad. I mean, they're not rusted through. That side, at least. The other fenders are, I don't know. Let's see this side. Let's see this side. This side's pretty much same condition. All the glue kind of did that, but I'm gonna drop all that. So let me take care of this stuff, and I'll bring you back when it's done. All right, and this is as far as we got. Everything is essentially off. Clutch pedal, which is a pain in the ass. Boot. I dropped the gas tank in case I need it. The whole rear subframe is off. Obviously the dash and everything's all over here. So now I got to go back and rearrange and organize everything. I got to put most of it in there. Just a couple things I got to take off of there. Christian's breaking shit. Carpet's out. So I think all that's left is this and possibly this. That's it. I think the window stays because I found a couple cracks down here. Where to go? Oh, down here and here. So as soon as I pull it, it'll probably crack. Not sure with the Sawzall, I might cut here, down there. So I get the side skirt off, but that's minor. I'm gonna cut there. Try to get the rear. The rear looks okay. Doesn't look too damaged. So at least I'll have a spare rear window. But yeah, this is the end of the life for this car. My boy Christian got the new Crosstrek. What? Oh, it's only when you open the door? Oh, Subi gang. Except I can't do it. Dude, we going off-roading. Alright, I know the original plan was to cut it up. But, you know what? I'm too lazy for this. I got really close to the RS4 pulling it out. But I essentially put 1, 2, and 3. Now I can just essentially just roll it out, throw it on the. Oh, it's hitting the little tractor. I can essentially just roll it out now, and let trash man deal with it. There we go. Look at that, like butter. I love Gojeks. There we go. I don't know if I'm going to try to take this window out, but essentially I'm going to roll this thing out about the door. Try not to hit anything. Oh, I hit something. I hit the ATV. But there's the mess. At least it's one thing down. Oh no! I gotta get that thing running again too. The final state of this car. Some things are still in there, but whatever. I don't think I need anything else. Someone said body harness, but honestly, I'm not gonna rip the whole harness apart just for like 2 or 3 clips, you know? So, body harness stays. There you go.
Taillights, nobody else had that. Yeah. So I knew that was him. Yeah. And it was silver, but yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
this car's fucked, not legitly, but fuel pump works.
So that's how that's
and I don't know.
And that's it. We fix it, Mike.
Gotta figure it.
Fix it.
Huh?
I say we fix it.
We will fix it. I just gotta figure out exactly why it's not working again, which I think I know why. Just came to me. I asked where my phone was at. Alright, so instead of trying to fix this car, we essentially gutted this car. Front, rear subframe, Camio's ass.
That took about two hours. That's not bad.
It's not bad at all. Camp S4 on Instagram. He likes to make stupid videos.
Thanks.
How many videos have you made so far?
Not that many.
Of this shop?
Many.
There you go. This is our pile of stuff. There's our rear. There's Christian's ass. Are you still trying to rip this? Hey, we got a little light. Good job. Actually, I got that on video. There's the front subframe. There's 1 chair. There's 2 chairs. I'm debating on removing the rest of this. But yeah, good times had by all. Oh, I still gotta drop the fuel tank. I cut the fuel tank to drop the rear sub.
Handbook.
Oh, there you go. Original XJ Jaguar handbook if anybody wants it. Hit me up. $500.
Oh, it's here.
Anybody need any Jaguar parts?
Camio's our new Jaguar inventory and seller.
Check out this logo.
I'm pretty sure this thing is worth money too, honestly.
Maybe.
There's the trans. There's half the drive shaft. There's the other half down there. I don't know. This could be another rip apart video, sadly. But I need to make room because I have more fun projects to work on than these things. But also ripping apart stuff is fun.
Is this a fuel box? Oh, it's an airbag.
Alright, so at the end of this, we dumped this gas tank. That was fun. What's up?
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. Go. We dumped that. I gotta clean everything up now. We're calling it a night. I think we got enough done for the day. Right, Christian? Yeah. So I don't know if I'm taking this, leaving it. I don't know. But that's it's another rip apart video, I guess. And move stuff. But this whole thing's together, minus what I cut off for the brake lines because they don't care. And that's whatever. Alright. Yep, thank you. Thank you for watching. See you later.